Levi's hoodie review of the Levi's graphic pullover. How does the Levi's hoodie actually look behind online pictures? How does it fit? Plus, who is it for? Let's find out, but first subscribe to your men's style guide, as we're starting right now. The Levi's graphic pullover hoodie is made with a standard fit, with a slightly roomier cut. It's designed with a modern take in mind. It gives off a modern and stylish fit that shows some form, but doesn't necessarily hug the body like a slim fit would, which is great for men looking for a modern fit Levi's hoodie. The Levi's hoodie is made from 100% cotton. The fabric feels somewhat stretchy, giving some flexibility. In room, the fabric thickness is not heavy duty nor super lightweight. It makes for a great layering piece since it's not bulky and fits rather close on the body, allowing room to easily slide another layer over it when you need it. The chest measures 39 inches with some flexibility and stretch to give. The sleeves are about 23¼ inch from the shoulder seam to the hem and are just slightly shorter than what I'm typically used to, with the cuff sitting around the wrist, not touching the upper hands, which feels different for me and does have its perks to show accessories better, although it may sit up higher up the wrist if you have long arms. The total length of the Levi's hoodie is 25 inches from the seam behind the neck down to the hem. The length sits about right and doesn't feel too long or too short. I like how the waist around the hip area fits rather slim, but not tight, measuring 34 inches around, which adds to the V-taper by slimming the waist and accentuating the shoulders. The neck size and hood itself isn't too big as some sweaters are, for not only a good aesthetic, but it also helps to preserve your body heat by hugging your head and ears closer when you need the extra warmth. It also comes with drawstring cords, and of course, what hoodie would be complete without a tunnel pocket that runs all the way through? We also find the classic Levi's red tab on the lower left side of the hoodie for a subtle and extra touch of detail that complements the Levi's graphic print at the chest. I suggest getting true to t-shirt size for a more fitted look. If you need extra room or just prefer a more relaxed look or are looking for more of a street style look, I recommend sizing up to your liking. I'll leave a link to the Levi's hoodie so you guys can check them out. Smash like if you like this video. Subscribe now to not miss another upload from your men's style guide. Click the next video on the screen right now, and I'll see you in the next video.
Stop. I can't record with you.